If you are currently on a GLP-1 and quietly wondering, is this enough? This message is for you. GLP-1 can reduce appetite, it can stabilize blood sugar, and it can support weight loss. And for many women, it initially feels like relief. But here's what it does not do. It does not teach you how to preserve muscle. It does not automatically rebuild your metabolism. It does not regulate a dysregulated nervous system. And it does not guide you through the hormonal shifts of midlife. So many women are taking the medication, but are still feeling unsure, still feeling fatigued, still under-eating protein, still afraid of losing muscle, still wondering what happens long-term. That is why I created the GLP-1 Sisterhood, not as a diet space, not as a restriction plan, but as a structured, evidence-informed support system for midlife women navigating GLP-1 wisely. Inside the GLP-1 Sisterhood, for $19.99 a month, you receive a private GLP-1 discussion lounge and chat where you can speak honestly, monthly metabolic anchor teachings that guide you step by step, practical guidance on protein intake, muscle preservation, and blood sugar stability, support for inflammation, digestion, and nervous system healing, and a compassionate space that is free from shame, fear, or extremes. This is not about dieting harder, it's about healing smarter. The GLP-1 Sisterhood is a dedicated pathway within the Soul to Soul Sisterhood, created specifically for midlife women using GLP-1 medications who want to protect their muscles, stabilize their metabolism, and feel emotionally steady while doing so. It is where evidence meets compassion, where strategy replaces confusion, and where your body is treated with respect. If you are using a GLP-1 like me, and you want structure, steadiness, and a real metabolic wisdom for midlife, the door is open, the light is on, and you belong. You do not have to navigate this alone. Join us at soultosoulsisterhood.com.